This is Forex Insights with CIS Trading at thinkorswimtoolkit.com. In focus, the Kiwi and the Japanese yen. We're looking at a 1-minute chart. When this 1-minute chart broke down and came down here toward these lows, on the open of this candle as it started to move up, I entered into a long position at 76.24.4 and set a very shallow stop around 76.23. It stayed above that for about 5 minutes, and I pulled that stop off and set it back in case it moved down just a little bit. And one reason why I did that was because when you look at these momentum metrics, they've been very bearish for an extended period of time on this 1-minute chart. But as we made a peak down here where we peaked, when this candle opened, it pulled those momentum metrics all the way up above the previous candle's momentum metric. So I thought that might be a nice area to begin to look at a long position, and I got in a long position looking for a 76.30 to a 76.36 initially up here where my trend support was at the time. You can see right here 76.36 and 6. And I set that stop back just a little bit more to give it a little bit more room, and it almost went right down through my next stop, which was at 76.20. It turned around and since came back up. Again, I'm in my area of range now, 76.30 to 76.34, where that was initially my target area. You can see here on our price action metrics, we still have a buy signal there and a buy signal on our chart analytics signals. On our price action metrics, where I entered into this trade here, you can see very clearly how we peaked down to a peak low, but when this candle opened, the price action metrics shot way back up in here initially. And with that down move on this candle, of course, they pushed down a little bit lower, but similarly to the momentum metrics, this is higher than this, which is like a 3-bar reversal when you're looking at candlesticks. So even though we have a down move, I can look at these metrics and see the potential of a 3-bar reversal. And you can see that ended up happening on this 1-minute sequence. We sort of came down a little bit here, reversed here, and then pushed a little bit higher. Not anything significant, but that's what that signals in advance. So the 3 candles that were going down signaled a bullish reversal for the next 3 candles, beginning with the last candle of that sequence. So that's one way to look at your momentum metrics and your price action metrics. This is a custom indicator toolkit that's set up for tradingview.com charts. I'm right here actually at my target area around this 76.30 area, my initial target. I do see the potential of a move maybe up above 76.58 into that area. But I would look at taking profit right here, right now on this trade, because my momentum metrics are, so there we go. I've sort of marked that area. I'm looking at taking a profit here in this area simply because I've made this move, and it's only 7 pips, but I've made this move, over the course. I've held this way longer than I probably should have, for 15 minutes or so, and could hold it longer, and I'm going to exit out of this trade and take the little bit that I have. I do see the potential of a move higher here, but now that it's breaking down, you can see my momentum metrics are coming back in. And even though every time I touch this bottom line, we're making a move back up, we go right up to the 70% toward the 100% area, and then right back down. So I'm out of this trade now. But pretty much 76.24, took about 15 minutes, and I just picked up about 7 pips. This is CIS Trading with thinkorswimtoolkit.com.